This is the place for excellent cooperation between scientists, clinical actors and industrial companies.
It is the best place to start an innovative company in the medtech industry.
It's the beginning of personalized medical and surgical interventions.
It's a good way to innovate in medical sciences.
It is clearly in the DNA of Grenoble and deeply rooted in the development of the city.
This will actually enable us to be extremely competitive.
In the years 2000, Grenoble was very well known for its ecosystem related to micro and nano technology, and we decided to support the development of medtech sector, especially in the all what is related to health technologies, health development, and this is what we do with Biopolis.
Well, Biopolis is an innovation park that has been created by the university and supported by the public authorities. And that enables to create company, to welcome them in a favoring environment and to help them to grow and to actually enable them to go to the market.
It is clearly an economic booster.
For clinicians, more precise interventions means better results. We need some new tools and new technology.
Biopolis is the place for efficient cooperation. This means that it is a place where you can host your startup companies at the time where they were just launched.
When you start a company, you have to focus on your own business. So Biopolis offers us a lot of common services, networking with the other companies in the same building. So when we start a company, we are nothing, nobody, and it gives us a lot of credibility when we start the medical device industry here in Grenoble through Biopolis. The collaboration between university, us, and the hospital is very convenient here.
It's important for us to help them to set up in our area.
And it is also the place where you can initiate research projects because we are very close to our lab and also very close to the hospital. And so inside this Biopolis, we have a room where we are able to host research projects. And during these research projects, several inventions were performed, patents were taken, which were then transformed into industrial products that were disseminated around the world. It's a real pleasure to start from a white paper and then to get to an industrial product which is really used, and in our cases, which was used on more than hundreds of thousands of patients.
These technologies are based on augmented reality. For clinicians, more precise interventions means better results. The main objectives are the following: to increase accuracy, to reduce morbidity, and to develop minimal invasive surgical procedures.
The dream for us is that we forget technology and that patient is really at the heart of the healthcare process. Technology that has to be sufficiently smart and sufficiently small to be able to help the surgeon perform an intervention, and also to have robots implanted inside the human being, capable of compensating failure of vital functions in very close interactions with the patient. And this implies that we also work on the way the patient interacts with this device, on the way the image of the cell that he has will be modified. And so this is also an excellent research domain for cooperation with social sciences, philosophy, ethics, psychology. And in all these domains, we find the best specialists in the world in Grenoble.
It's a priority for us to share knowledge between enterprises and our physicians.
Biopolis is a major milestone, but after that there are future developments. I have to mention two main projects. One is what we call MedTech City. The idea is to enable the development of companies very close to the university and hospital environment in order mainly to have access to clinical research. The second one is an integrated research institute which will put together again a research lab and companies around platforms, and again that will enable to test solutions and to also favor the way to the market.
Grenoble-Alpes Métropole is strongly supporting this economic sector because we do believe that we have some very important opportunities to have in the future.
So I think we really have all the ingredients to put the site on the pathway of a major university of high visibility at the international level, favoring innovation.